Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I have 6 data entry positions for you. Make sure that you bookmark these companies just in case the positions have been filled, or share these with your family and friends. Please make sure that you are tailoring your resumes and cover letters to the specific position that you are interested in, and hopefully this video will be helpful for you. So let's go ahead and get started. The first company we have is called Marriott. You can go to careers.marriott.com and search for their data entry clerk. This is a part-time position. Now with this position, we're going to scroll down so you can get an idea of what the position entails. So you'll enter and locate work-related information using computers and or point of sale systems. You'll transmit information or documents using the computer. You'll read and visually verify information in a variety of formats, like, small prints and things like that. As far as, once again, this position is a part-time position. You can go ahead and read the rest of the different things that you'll be doing. We're going to go ahead and scroll down here. As far as this position, for applicants located in California, Colorado, Hawaii, Illinois, Maryland, Minnesota, New York, Washington, D.C., and Washington, the pay range for this position is between $18.50 to about $24 an hour. It does say Washington applicants only. Employees will accrue this number here, PTO balance, for every hour worked, and eligible to receive a minimum of 7 holiday annuals. I don't know what that's all about. Here are some of the different benefits that they do offer: employee assistance plans, childcare discounts. They have, your normal benefits that they offer, usually with, work from home jobs or just regular jobs. The deadline for this position is going to be 12 days after the 1st of January. Today is the 7th of January. So 12 days after that will be like around the 12th or 13th. It says 12 days after, so it'll be about the 13th. So you do have time, but go ahead and jump on this opportunity if you are interested in, and make sure you check out their other positions as well. The next company we have is called Bold Business. You can go to boldbusiness.applytojob.com, and they're looking for a voice data entry agent. This is a full-time mid-level position. Now, you will join their data enrichment team to support data enrichment tasks for one of our healthcare clients. You'll be held to high quality of work standards and will be a contributor to the quality control process. Okay, so you'll be involved with either voice or non-voice processes as required, manage either inbound or outbound calls in a professional manner, and much more. The pay for this position is going to be $16 an hour. It's a full-time remote, where it says where you work from home. So it says 100% remote position where you work from home. Now, I don't know if it's saying you can work from anywhere, because it doesn't really say if you can be outside of the United States to be able to apply. So I would just go ahead and apply even if you're out the United States, because it doesn't say that you have to. It just says that you'll work from home. So I will go ahead and apply for this position even if you're outside of the United States. This position is for qualifications: willing to work on both voice and non-voice processes, experience in an outbound, inbound call center, inside sales experience, or related sales or customer service experience is a plus. Does not say it is required. This will be a 40 hours per week starting immediately position. They can support a Wi-Fi setup, have a stable internet. So they're looking for someone who can support a Wi-Fi, a work from home setup. Computer savvy candidate is preferred. Ability to work independently or as an active member of our team. Okay, so if you're interested, make sure you go ahead and check out this position. The next position we have is from a company called ExamWorks, and they're looking for a data entry associate. They say they have one position available. It says, are you experienced with medical records and ICD-10 coding? If so, this role may be a perfect fit for you. Okay, so with this position, you'll be responsible for gathering, preparing, and entering alphabetic and numeric data from various source documents into appropriate computer systems for storage, process, and data management purpose. Okay, purposes: experience with medical billing records, ICD, and CPT codes is preferred. This is a full-time remote position, of course, with standard work schedule of Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 PST, with overtime as offered. The pay for this is $16.50 an hour. Some of the essential duties and responsibilities to perform this job successfully includes, but is not limited to, the following: gathering, organizing and preparing source documents for data entry into appropriate system databases, entering alphabetic and numeric data from source documents and into the proper system database, follow data programs, security practices and procedures. You'll perform, clerical duties like sorting, filing, emailing, and proofreading. This one looks like it is a non-phone, just like the last one. was a non-phone. I think the one before that one was a phone. So some of these are a mixture of phone and non-phone, okay? It does say here, this one must possess a complete knowledge of general computer, fax, copier, scanner, and telephone. So you might do some telephone work, but it does not say you'll be doing anything as far as your duties, but it says but not limited to. So some of these positions may have you do some phone work, some of them may not, okay? So it just depends. As far as qualifications, must be able to type a minimum of 40 words per minute and things like that. So you can go ahead and read over that. Here's information about the company. They do offer competitive benefits and paid time off and 401k. So if you're interested, make sure you check out ExamWorks. The next company we have is called Exxon. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Data Services. As far as for this position, they're looking for a motivated data entry operator to join their growing team. In this role, you'll be responsible for entering information into various proprietary customer systems as well as partner portals based on project requirements with a 0% error rate. Okay, this is a part-time 20 plus hours per week with a potential to increase to a full-time 30 hours per week position. This is a flexible position. You can decide when and where you work. Are you detail-oriented, looking for a remote and flexible work environment? So then this is a job for you. So that's pretty cool. You can decide when and where you want to work. So that's pretty cool for this position here. As far as the different duties that you'll be doing, you'll transcribe information into required electronic formats, comply with the data integrity and security procedures, and much more. As far as the perks, once again, this is a part-time, this is a independent contractor, work from home per week. You will be a self-employed and must provide your own equipment and resources to work. Here are a few independent contractor perks. You get to work with a flexible schedule anytime, 24/7. Increase your monthly income, strict paid per piece data entry, increase your hourly rate based on your production speed, and much more. You can go ahead and read over that. They do have you will be paid bi-weekly and direct deposit is required. And as far as requirements, high school diploma, 2 to 3 years of data entry experience, must be 18 years of age, and much more. You can go ahead and read over that. Here are some of the different required skills: computer skills and data entry, ability to maintain confidentiality, ability to work under pressure, and things like that. So if you're interested in this company, make sure you check them out. The next company we have is called Conduent. You can go to careers.conduent.com, and they are looking for a remote data entry associate. This is a full-time remote position, of course. They do have a mandatory paid training, which is about 2 to 3 weeks. The pay is about $14.50 during the training, then move to a production-based rate, so it'll be different after you've trained. The training schedule is Monday through Friday, 6 to about 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Production hours is the second shift is 3 p.m. to about 11 p.m. Eastern. Overtime possibly required. You may have to work some weekends. Some of the duties you'll be doing is like processing documents electronically, process claims, make outbound calls to doctors outside the office should volume permit, and much more. High school diploma or equivalent, must have secure workspace with high-speed internet, and much more. You need to pass their typing test. As far as their benefits, they have their health, vision, and things like that, PTO, sick time, 401k. This font is very hard to see, so hopefully you can see this. ABC rate after completing of training. You have career growth, excellent culture, work environment, and things like that. So if you are interested in this company, make sure you check out Conduent, and make sure you check out their other positions as well. Now, the last company we have is called Henry Hire. You can go to henryhire.com, and you just want to go to their jobs page and choose their data entry clerk. Now, this is a temporary position, okay? So we're going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit more. So with this temporary contract position, it's a 40 hours per week lasting about 6 months. Upon successful completion, there may be an opportunity for a full-time role. You're maintaining confidentiality of information. These are your responsibilities. You'll be entering customer and account data by inputting both text and numeric information from source documents within specific deadlines. Compiling, verifying accuracy, and organizing information based on priorities to prepare it for computer entry, and much more. Here are the different qualifications: high school diploma or equivalent, minimum of 2 years of experience with Microsoft Office suites, and much more. It looks like a lot of these positions are entry-level positions, okay? You don't need a lot of experience to do them. This one does pay $20 an hour, and that is it for that specific position. I do want to point out that I do have a blog. If you're looking for other job leads, you can go to my blog. I have the information down in the description down below. It'll say like blog leads. I have multiple jobs just in case these positions don't work out for you. You can go over here and see what has been posted. You can go back to see if some of these other jobs have been posted. Are still hiring for people. So make sure you check out my blog. And that is it. Hopefully this video was helpful, and I hope you have a blessed day. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.